My question first, I have small criticism to the posters. The posters are Ethiopian, Eritrean, peace, that's good. Peace in the world is very important with neighbors and even for those who are far. But when I see Ethiopian flag, I don't see here Eritrean flag. Number two, I can say Ethiopian criminality on Eritrean people, it might be forgettable and not forgettable. We lost 100,000 Eritreans in the war 30 years. We struggle for our freedom and liberty, even though now they are the same criminals in Eritrea. Dr. Barakat, he said, ታላቅ ሰው ነበር, King Haile Selassie. And I will say, for Eritrean people, King Haile Selassie was a criminal. Because they were people, or the king, who annexed Eritrea with Ethiopia by force, and this struggle began. So Eritreans, me as Eritrean, I am not representing anybody, but Haile Selassie was not a good person, he was a criminal. And for Ethiopians, I don't want to answer it. Peace among Eritreans and Ethiopians, I support it. And I would like the Eritreans, the panelists here, great doctors and professors, I wish if they can try their best to bring Eritrean friendship now at this moment. Eritreans in diaspora, we are fragmented and we have so many different, and the priority for you is to bring peace and friendship with the Eritrean community instead of jumping and bringing friendship with Ethiopia at this time. And then we lost our language here now when we talk. We didn't even hear for those Eritreans to speak in Eritrean language, Tigrinya. All is dominated by Ethiopian language. I like Ethiopian language. It is a language. It is a language which can give you an opportunity to communicate with each other. But my last one is federation, confederation, autonomy, as Dr. Daniel saying, at this time, for me, if you can help us Ethiopians to fight against our enemy and your enemy, who is sitting in Eritrea now, that is number one, and not our friendship at this time. But at the end, Eritreans and Ethiopians, we are mingled, we are brothers and sisters, and I have a dream in the future also to have a good relationship between our border, but not to be Ethiopians. I will never dream to be federal, confederal, or autonomy with Ethiopia for the future.